We're here at Macy's at the Galleria
Yeah,
Tyler.
that's good to hear though. Yeah, cool. Well, I think there's gonna be some opportunities for
Riverside,
like
California.
Microsoft's gonna put a full court press out over the next 2 to 3 weeks of going to like, they're probably gonna be at Rogers Place in Point, my suspicion is. They want to go out and just get small groups of people that can ask questions and, you know, blah, blah, blah.
United States.
So anyway.
Door.
Okay, any questions?
What the heck? This is a mod. That's an interesting elevator. Let's go down to 1. £3,800. That's a weird capacity. That's where the regular floor to get is right up there. This is a unique elevator for Macy's store. Because there's a door here. Well, that United States elevator. Very cool. Alright, let's go back down 1. Some weird buttons. I think this is on the second mod. That capacity though, that's weird. Look at this. United States elevator. And I guess that's it's gonna be it for me.